Well, now we have to find the domain and range of f and f inverse, and where f of x is the square root of 4x minus 3. So, you know, to find the domain, we take whatever's under the radical, set it greater than or equal to 0, and solve. So we'll add 3 to both sides, and we get 4x is greater than or equal to 3. If we divide by 4, x is greater than or equal to 3/4. So we have f and f inverse and domain and range. And so the domain x is greater than or equal to 3/4. So consequently, the range of the inverse function corresponds to the domain of the function, and so y is greater than or equal to 3/4. Now as to the range, let's just graph the function. And we'll go over here to 3/4, 0, and that's what it looks like. And so this is f, and you can see the range of that, y is greater than or equal to 0. Well, then we know that for the domain of the inverse function, x has to be greater than or equal to 0, because the domain of the inverse function corresponds to the range of the function. So let's graph f inverse, and this is x and y, and this will be 0, 3/4, and when we graph that we get something like this, and these lines, we know what the graph looks like because the function and its inverse are symmetric about the line y equals x. And we're done.